Hi, boys and girls. I am giving you I tried to find something a little different and fun to kind of review fractions with you. I'm going to give you several days to do this, but I wanted to kind of go over with you what you're supposed to do. So if you look at the screen, here is a coloring sheet with numbers in it. These numbers correspond to the number of the problem. So whatever answer I get for number 1, 4/10, 8/15, or 1/2, that will tell me what color the box all the ones need to be. So let's do number 1. On your paper, you should have your paper out. You should have number 1, and you should have, it's saying to simplify. So 16/30ths, we know we put that in the L, and we get the GCF. And what goes into 16 and 30? 8. 2 does. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 30 15 times. So the GCF is only what's on the left right here. So I'm going to say 16/30ths divided by 2 divided by 2, which equals 8/15ths. Now you should have all that written down. Pause it if you don't have it, because you need that for number 1. Do I see 8/15ths? I do. So I'm going to drag the circle and circle dark blue. So all my ones I'm going to fill with dark blue. So here's a 1 right there. So you go up to the little bucket and you fill it with dark blue. Okay? So if you want to do a problem and then fill the number 1s up and then the number 2s up, you can do that. I want to show you one problem on the last slide, and it's number 15. So if you do that with me, what have we always learned? This is just a little review, and we haven't talked about this in a long time, but since the beginning of the year, I have told you what is another way to write divide. And the other way to write it is 12 divided by 20. But you need to find the simplest form, and then that's the answer you circle. Okay? Now, this is all mixed up. You've got adding fractions, subtracting fractions, multiplying and dividing fractions. Adding and subtracting have to be written up and down to find the least common denominator. Multiplying and dividing, you can write across, and you don't have to find the least common denominator. I'm on Google Meet if you need help. Have fun.